what the heck is going on the market. They're exactly manipulating the market. As I'm already mentioned on the previous video, when you see the body to body candle on the top resistance is not good science, and we are still on the downtrend, and especially I said before below 89k. But right now I have to change, and I have to say, as soon as we are below the 86k, definitely is more downtrend is on the table. But the goodest part is we already get a little bit bounce from the 200 moving average on the daily time frame. But thinking still 80k, 74k, 75k, 70,000 is still on the table, and I'm already targeting this range around 74k 2-3 weeks before. What I can see right now on the MACD, what I mentioned before on the yesterday video, we are already losing the momentum, and we was looking for a cross, but we never get the cross, and the price is coming much lower right now. Also, I don't think anything is changed, and we are much below the baseline, and right now I don't see any cross at the moment on the MACD, and William R also is still going lower. This is not a good sign, and I think indefinitely definitely we can see the 80k, or maybe the previous low around 77k is still on the table, and I think this dump still can continue because they're really manipulating the market. If I check in the SAR indicator, we can see the SAR also printing from the low around 78k. At the same time, we can see the low band of the BB is still gaining, and the mid band is standing around 92k. That's why the multiple indicator showing that we still can see the lower price on the Bitcoin. And if we check in the volume on the market, we are on the good volume right now, but honestly, if we breaking down, nothing can stop the price around 77k, and we can see the more volume around the $70,000. That's why I thinking still personally we can see the lower price on the Bitcoin. As soon as we are below the 86k, definitely more sell pressure, and this is not so good because when they're manipulating the market, they're looking for a lower price for the Bitcoin. And right now we can see the huge dump on the market, and we can have a hopium to see the market react on previous low around 77k. Otherwise 70,000 or 68,000 or much lower price is still on the table as soon as the Bitcoin below the 86k. This scenario can be failed if Bitcoin back above the 86k and hold above it. Then yes, we can come and retest the 88k, 89k, and maybe we get a reject again from there. But right now I don't think it's gonna be happen, and I thinking this is more sell pressure on the table. Maybe some good news is coming and pushing the price higher, but currently I don't see on the chart something good going on. It's still on the still lower price on the table. If we check in the Ethereum on the daily time frame, Ethereum already break down the major support around $2,100, and what we can see, if Ethereum close below the support around 2,100, I'm not going to be surprising to see the Ethereum come around 1,900 and can come to this box, and lower this box is standing around $800. Is not a joke, my friend. Market is not so good, and especially right now Ethereum is breaking the major support, which is that we're holding for a long time this support, and another special support is standing around 1,890, around 1,900, and we have to have a hopium Ethereum hold this support. Otherwise, bye Ethereum, and maybe much lower price possible to see on Ethereum. But right now still Ethereum hold above the 1,900, and we have a hopium again we can get some buyer around this area. And I don't think something is changed right now. It's still market on the downtrend, and as soon as the Ethereum below the 2,100, more sell pressure on the market, and this is not so good. I'm already mentioned yesterday, when you see the body to body candle and on the top resistance, definitely we can see the lower price. And what happened? Ethereum even this time breaking, but still daily candle is not closed, and still we have a hopium daily candle come and close above the 2100. Then maybe it can come and maybe can some changes and we can come and retest the $2,300. But honestly, right now we are below the 2100, and I'm not going to be surprising to see the Ethereum back to this major support around 1880. If we be checking the XRP also on the daily time frame, XRP also we already see the nice pump to $3, and after that we see the huge dump, and I'm already mentioned the support around 2.6, 2.3, and another support is standing around $2.1. And if we be breaking this support, definitely we can see the XRP around 1.8. But right now it's still XRP below the 2.3, and still we have a support around 2.1, and maybe we can see some more buyer around this area. Nobody knows, but as soon as we are below the 2.3, more sell pressure on the market. If you look in the Solana also on the daily time frame, Solana also similar thing. We was very happy to see the Solana back again here, and we already confirmed breaking the 167, and we already confirmed breaking down the $146, and we coming back to get this green zone again, and the lower zone is standing around $120. It's not so good right now on all market. We are already on the huge dump, and if Bitcoin dump, for sure definitely Solana and the rest of the asset gonna be dumped. As soon as the Solana below the 146, definitely 120 is still on the table, and if we break down the 120, still we have a support around 108 and $93. But right now we still have this support around 120, and I thinking if the market coming down around this area, around this support, more buyer waiting for. So this is all about today. Market is not doing good right now, my friend, and they're manipulating the market. Big players come to the market right now, and the price around $80,000 is not a joke. You have to be careful if you're trading long or short right now. I'm not recommended the short because we already see the dump, and I'm not recommending any long. For myself also, I don't do any trade at the moment, and I'm waiting until see the result, and I hope Bitcoin can come back again to $86 and we gaining again, and maybe we can see the Bitcoin again on 6-digit number. So this is all about today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. All the best for you, and see you on next video.